What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video. Recording this live trading as usual. So we have EUR/USD right here. As you can see, we have this confirmation, but I will explain now why I'm not looking for sales. The reason why I'm not looking for sales, I sent the setup also earlier, is because we are in this uptrend and we just reached this key demand area. We had a nice reaction. Demand area is below this liquidity level, which built up a lot of liquidity. After that, we had this manipulation. So I would prefer to see some buys rather than some sells, at least for now, unless anything changes. Talking about intraday setups, I'm not really interested into this change of Carter because of this, and that's really important for me. Let's see how it plays out during the day, but I'm not looking for sells. GBP/USD, as of right now, this demand is in control, and there's no confirmation to enter any sells nor any buys. Well, I'm not interested in buys unless it's from down here, from this extreme demand area. NZD is one of my favorites. I would like to see during this New Year session, this supply is in control. This low for now is the last low that was created. Now, I would love to see that we go below this low, and then we give a clear confirmation down here. If you have this confirmation, I will look for buys to enter from here. This is what I'm looking for on NZD. If this doesn't happen, then I'm not entering any trade. As you know, I'm just taking few trades per week, and that's all is needed to actually make money trading. Here on EUR/GBP, we didn't manipulate the high, so I didn't look for any buys. So sorry, for any sells. At the moment, this low was in control, and this high was in control and was broken. But I don't like big confirmations, and again, I would like to see this low again being taken out. I don't want to trade any fake change of Carter. I want to see us going below this low and then creating some good structure for a good confirmation going up. Usually we see many fake change of Carters when this type of setup happens with the V confirmation right here. Gold, I haven't really traded gold lately that much. It's kind of tricky, and big spikes really happen in gold, as you know. Here I would say that it was interesting at this point, because here we had this fake change of Carter. After fake change of Carter, this was the last low in control. After this low was broken, then we had this possible trade. But again, I'm not really a fan of trading gold. I have it on my watch list just in case there is any clear setup. But my watch list is created by EUR/GBP, NZD, GBP/USD, EUR/USD, and sometimes US30. Let's take a look at US30. US 30 right here, manipulation of Asian lows below this previous low. So if you go below this previous low, this supply is in control. And with this supply being in control, we can target all these internal liquidity. So we could have had an entry down here, but as you can see, there is no 3 minutes confirmation to enter. We go to the upside, we reach this area. And right now I'm waiting to see what happens. I'm not interested in this house right now, but if we get a confirmation, correct confirmation, we can also consider this one above this liquidity, then I will consider the trade. As of right now, the only thing that I'm interested in is Euro USD from lower, GBP if we reach this demand, but I don't think that will happen. But especially NZD CAD looks very interesting. If we come back down here, we go below this low, this liquidity low, and then I look for some buys for entries. Let's go to higher time frames on the 1 hour. Yeah, that would be perfect. We go below that, we manipulate that low, we reach this area, and we look for some buys. Is there any question? How to trade NFP? You don't. Yeah, you never trade NFP. I mean, I don't. There are some traders that do, but I don't. What time do you usually trade? I trade during London Open and New York Open. So it's mostly used with these, where is it? Oh, I don't have it here. Well, anyway, London time from after the Asian range right here, from 6, well, let's say I start at 7, usually 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., sometimes to 10 a.m. I just take a look at charts. So from 7 to 10 maximum, and then I take a look at New York Open. So basically right now from 12, this is London time, from 12 to 2 p.m. Now let's go over the week. This is something I wanted to do. Let's go over the week. I have the same setup on NZD CAD. Great. Can you explain the difference between V confirmation and the corrected confirmation? Yes, I do right now, but you just need to take a look at the best setups series in the Discord. What are the best days to trade? There are no best days. It's just whenever the market gives opportunities. So the difference between V confirmation and good confirmation is exactly this one. Right here, this is a V confirmation. This is the supply and control. We go down, we come back up, and we wick it, V confirmation. Instead, this is the correct confirmation that we want to look for. It's more of a U-shaped confirmation. With clear structure and clear confirmation to go up. So this is the confirmation that we want to look for. One second, we have some charts from some members. This one. What is it? GBP USD. For GBP USD, the setup is good. So overall, yes, this will be confirmation. But as I said already, just like Euro USD, just like for Euro USD, I would prefer looking for buys because right now I see bullish possibilities from here. But of course, that's a good confirmation on GBP/USD. If we have it, I will go on 5 minutes. If we have this confirmation, I will mark out where I want to enter from, possibly from here. And if we reach it, I want to see 1 minute confirmation. So possibly a 1 minute setup from this supply, quick confirmation to enter and get involved in the trade. What pairs do we focus on? Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD CAD, Euro GBP, and US 30. Sometimes gold, but rarely, just sometimes. NZD CAD playing out as we said, just like what we said, we're just waiting. I want to go over the trade on NZD CAD that I took this week. So this week I took only 2 trades, 1 win with 3.5 risk ratio and 1 loss. There were not any other opportunities that I saw for this week, so that's fine. That's how it is.